Blessed love, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Tish Express. Now today I'll be expressing this caramelized coconut recipe that I have perfected. I start by shredding some coconuts here, on my grater. So this is the size that I like. It's perfect enough for any fillings like grater cakes, or you can use it as a drop. Now I season my coconuts while they're boiling with some spices. I love spices, so naturally I have to use some spices: nutmeg, cinnamon, some ginger, and some salt. I use 3 cups of water altogether to cook this down, and on the last cup of water, as it's like quartered in the amount that I put in, then I add sugar to it and some more seasoning, some more spices. So I use a half a cup of sugar, that is the rest of ginger, and some more nutmeg and cinnamon, and then I let this boil down on medium to high heat. So we don't want it to be too high to burn the sugar, but high enough to cook it fast enough, and it starts to reduce until this is the finished product. And then I just lay this out on, for this usage as drops, I just lay them out on some foil paper on a baking tray and allow them to cool down, and then I can have them as a sweet coconut treat snack. And like I said before, this can be used for fillings like coconut drops, coconut gizadas, and so on. So this is a really wonderful recipe. Thank you for joining me today, and do come again and enjoy. Blessed and guidance always, naturally.